Hi everyone. They are big guys. It's no coincidence if you think you've seen this style before. It's intentional. What's good catches on and we keep getting better. The Force bikes are named for a reason. They're fat boys, based on the Milwaukee-Eight Fat Boy, and their performance lives up to the name. We're always making them a little more powerful. Contrast cut, which means that from time to time bare metal shines through the black coating. This makes sense, especially as the Force is called the Steel Force. To show off the bike, which is always a bit hidden at the back, we combined it with our single-sided swingarm kit. The single-sided swingarm gives a full view of the right side of the bike, including the striking center lock. We are particularly proud of this as it makes the bike look like it has just come from the pit stop. It starts with our massive wheels, 23 inches at the front and 21 inches at the rear. These are 3-piece Big Speed wheels in a high sheen contrast cut finish. The counterpoint on the left is our perimeter brake, with its beguilingly cheeky brake fist on the inside. This is what sovereignty looks like. And this is how power and glory radiate out into the world. A 23 inches Big Speed wheel, a 340 mm Big Speed brake disc and behind it the M8 GP long front spoiler. The fist of the perimeter brake is beguilingly cheeky on the inside. The steel rear fender with integrated LED lights hugs the wheel, at least when the air ride is lowered. Good for when you park the bike in front of a cafe and sip an espresso. To keep the look consistent, we shortened the fork and lowered the front end. When you're on the road, raise the rear for full comfort. The flat Hollywood light handlebars will keep you relaxed and riding. To keep the line flat, the insanely comfortable Hollywood light handlebars sit atop the front end. So you have everything under control, even when braking through the 340 mm Big Speed disc. We told you, this is what confidence looks like. Jekill and Hyde Shorty Big Shot silencers provide a legal concert of desires to match the looks. Also the saddle comes from our house and is adapted to the steel fender. Take a closer look, rear light and indicators are integrated into the steel wing. Ingo Cruz's paintwork allows the Steel Force's steel motif to shine through. It's a final chord for all the senses when you drive off the lot after your espresso. You have delivered your exclusive show. Thanks for watching.